Okay, everybody, so welcome back to our short tutorial on using Ghost. Sorry for the cough. So in this quick video, we're going to do a bookmark post, which is a great way of adding rich media to your blog. And you can link to other external URLs and all sorts of cool and creative things. So we're going to do this right now, how to add a bookmark. It's actually one word. And of course, I really should be capitalizing all of that, but I'm just doing a quick tutorial, so we won't. We're going to go here. We're going to find the bookmark option, and you're just going to hit it. And this is a great way of curating content. So in this case, adding content from our main site, right? So, oh shit, that's not what I want to do. I actually just was trying to bring up the site, not pull up the themes. So here is the, it's not our main site. It's one of the pieces of our platform where we have different, content for sale, services, etc. And I just want to link from this to that. So I'll add a little description. And you can do all kinds of previewing. You can preview this on a small screen, on a large screen, but we're not going to do any of that either. I'm just going to publish it. And there you have it. There's the bookmark. And if you click on this, it links right back to this site here. All right, and it's really a very effective way of curating content if you're trying to build an authority site or something like that. I like the bookmark, functionality, the bookmark card within Ghost as a, as a great way of really quickly and easily adding content to your site. I use it often. Lots of the stuff here is actually bookmarked content, and it's that easy. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. And if you need help with your Ghost blog or brand, we are always happy to help. Just leave me a comment in the community section below. If you're listening to this on YouTube, you can leave a comment there as well, or send me an email, ianrhollander@gmail.com. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.